What do you got? Tip up walleye. Nice. Am I recording here? Oh yeah.
Yeah, he's right at 15. Nice. Do some fish sticks there.
Yummy. That's gonna be good eating right there.
Yeah, nice. I was on that full minnow.
Nice.
Yeah. Didn't even set off tip up. I just come over and I was gonna reel it up because we were gonna move, and then bam, all of a sudden I felt a jerk and I'm like, hey, there's something on there. That's awesome.
That's sweet, buddy. Nice work.
I like it. Heck yeah. Maybe we can get a few more of them today.
Let's get some. We need a meal of them.
Right? I told the old lady I'd bring her some home.
Did you?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Hopefully I didn't lie.
I want to catch some walleyes.
Yeah, I got it.
Excited to catch some walleyes.
Nice.
Let's find them. So you just set it back in, or he bit on it again? Setup of the day right here, boys. Four-wheeler rattle reel.
Isn't this like the craziest way to catch fish?
Right. You see it down there? Can you see how far down it is? You can see it all 4 feet down.
Oh yeah, you can actually see it.
Uh-huh.
I'm actually going to come back to this one.
New setup worked. You
Rattle reel, boys.
four-wheeler.
Reel. Hey, you like that minnow?
He's good now.
I told you it was perfect.
Little guy there.
Little wally. Nice. Heck yeah.
Down the hole he went.
Man.
It's awesome, whatever it is. Yeah. Is it?
Oh, it might be a big walleye.
I hope it is.
His head's out at the hole. It's a big walleye. It's a fucking big walleye. His head's at the hole. Bring him up.
What do I do,
Bring him up.
Josh? Oh my God. Oh, baby! Oh, yeah! Yeah! Hog!
Hog! Amazing. Oh my God. That's the whole point of being out here.
That is nice.
Oh my God, I've never caught a walleye.
Here,
Oh,
Holy
That is
mackerel.
that made my whole ice fishing here right there, guys.
oh yeah.
Oh my God.
Nice fish.
Oh my God, I'm shaking. That's like shooting a big buck right there, boys.
Awesome. That is so awesome.
Oh my God, Josh. You should have seen that thing come in. All of a sudden I'm jigging and all of a sudden it was like that fat on the gravel. I'm like, oh my
That is
God.
amazing.
Oh my God.
It's got to be a solid like 26 probably. Oh yeah.
Gosh. I don't even know what to think.
Nice.
Dog.
That was crazy. I couldn't believe it. I was shaking when I saw what it was. Like I saw the face, and the face disappeared and turned, and I could see the white tip. And I'm like, holy mackerel. That was well played. Dude,
Awesome.
perfect game, perfect run.
Oh my gosh. I've never held one this big.
Let's go measure that.
Because he got little bird.
It's on one of those little chain things too, though.
Yep. Them chain deals are working. Right. Well, what's funny, Josh, is I went over there. I was just getting ready to rig another pull-up, and then I just barely rattled that thing, and then all of a sudden, boom, that one come in. That mark come in.